Hello, welcome to Design Fusion. My name is Nirav, and today I will show you an overview of a new structural design application in NX. So in NX, structural design application is available in NX design module with the floating add-on license NX 30191. Structural design application quickly create frame and other metal structure for machine and other equipment. It is capable to create a quick frame, then it emerge by adding stock. You can modify corners and add more feature using extensive library. After completion of your structural design, your structural data can be used in other applications like drafting, PMI, and animation design application. So let me show you a structural design application with conveyor frame example. So in this example, I will create a frame for conveyor. Here I have an existing conveyor and we are planning to extend the conveyor. So we need a structure. So I will show you how NX structure designer works and where we can find the application. So first we have to start the application, go to the application, more, and you will find the structure designer. And when you click on structural designer, it will give you all the option for the structural designing. So before starting designing, we can see here a tab for structure. So in that tab we can see here we can add new structure, we can add plane, we can make a sketch, we can make a line, we can make a frame, quick frame, we can add members, we can add stock, we can change corner and many more other options. First we have to assign a new structure, and when click on new structure we will see here tab for the new structure. So in that structure we have to specify upward direction. In this case we have our specify vertical direction, and for reference we have to assign this existing component. So after creating a new structure, we can see here a tab for structural designer, and in Navigator we can see here a Navigator for structural design. So in this structure Navigator we can see here a construction curve, member, corner, gusset, end cap, and mounting feet. So first we have to make a skeleton for the frame. So in this NX designer we can make a frame skeleton either with the sketch, line, or free frame. So now I am just I'm creating a skeleton from the frame command, and we can see here in a frame command you have to specify 3 points, and for input method you will have a coordinate mode or parameter mode. So if you select coordinate, you can see here you can specify x, y, and z value, or if you want to put parameters you can select parameter model and you can specify length, width, and I know the dimension for the existing one, so I want to match the same frame, so I will provide the same dimension. So it will be, so length will be 750.8, my width will be 2500.8, and my height will be 1225.8. and first I have to specify points. So whenever you specify the dimension, you just have to specify the point. So first point, second point, and third point. So if I want to place it here, I can. So if you want to match the position, you just have to select the endpoint and take next to the existing one, and you will highlight the lines and you can just plot it. So it will match your point. And you can see here there is another option for curves. So if you want to move or copy any curve, you can do it from here. So I want to make another vertical support, so I will just select this curve and make a copy. And you have to select. So if I want to select 2, I can select 2 because I need to put 2 support, and I will choose copy because I want to copy these 2 support at the middle. And I know, and you have to, if you want to specify dimension, you can specify dimension, or you can move it from here. So it will show you the it will show you the distance as well. So our center point will be 2500.80 divided by 2. So that will be our center point, and click it here. It will create your support, and you have to just click on outside. I have to create the bottom support. So I already have an existing curvature, so instead of copying, I can move these lines, and I know the distance, so I can it will be 755.4. so it will match this position, and click OK. So you can see here we make a skeleton same as the older one with all the supports. So this is how we can create a quick frame, or you also can use a sketch or line. So for this support, I have to take a line, select this endpoint and select this endpoint. So it will create another support at the center. So this is how we can create the frame skeleton. So second step will be assigning sections or stock. To do that, we can see here member. You can right click and add member, click on icon member. In NX we have a comprehensive library for the stocks. So in this case I just select the square tube, and the size will be 50 by 2.5. so the 50 by 50 width and 2.5 is a thickness. To assign the section, you just have to select the curve. So I will select first the outer periphery of the frame. You also can directly select from single to connect, and we have lots of filter here. Same with the column. I want to use same material. Or you can directly select a structure from here. If you want to flip the section, you can flip the section. You can position the curve. So for now, if you see here, all the section will be outside. So if you want to change the position, you can change from top to bottom, so it will change the position. So I am happy with the assigning material. I will click OK here. When I click on OK, you will see one by one it will be update the structure. After assigning section, so you can see here we have a mismatch in position for particular this member. So you also can make a change. You just have to select and right click and edit member, and it will open up again window for the member. You either, if you want to change a section, you can change a section, but in this case I want positioning. So there is another option for select alternative origin. So I also can assign, or I also can maintain the position. So this is our anchor point, and I want to position this section somewhere here. So I will click this endpoint, and it will maintain the center of this section. So and click OK. So we can see here now it will perfectly match the position with the supports. So this is our member or stock assigning. So next step will be corners. So if you see here, NX will automatically create the corner after assigning the stocks. If you don't like it, or if you want another approach, you also can edit the corners by clicking on edit corner options, and whenever you click edit corner option, it will open the edit corner tab, and you have to just select the corner point, and you will see here number of member connected to that corner. So whenever you click on description, it will highlight the members. You will see here a meter, and if you want to change from meter to another option, you can select it from here. If you want to put it none, it will create the no corner. If you want to create smart extension, so it will extend the end, and for this one you can select like butt. I want to select the butt. It will create the butt joint and here, and this will be also butt. This is how you can change the corners. After edit the corner, I will see here it's not look like nice structure, so I want to do a end capping. So NX also provide you a option for adding end cap. By clicking end cap icon, you will open the end cap window, and to assign an end cap, you have to just select the face at the end. You also can place inside cap or outside cap. If I want to do outside cap, I can do outside cap, and you also can assign a thickness. If I want to assign a thickness 2 millimeter, and if you want to put chamfer at the corner of the cap, if you can see here, earlier it was preserve overall length. So if this option is tick mark, then your total length will be including end cap. If you uncheck, then your end cap will be outside of your overall length. So you also can maintain it from here. You can click apply, and you will see here end cap. If you can see in older structure, there is a gusset for stiffening the support. So NX also provide you a provision for adding a gusset. So there is an option here for gusset. Whenever you click on gusset icon, it will open up a gusset window, and in that window you can assign a different type of cross section like triangle with nose, square, rectangle. So for now I just select the triangle. Material will be the same. Take 40 by 40 by 9. For the size, we have to select the face. So first we select the reinforced face. The second face will be our attached face. So you will see here a gusset preview, and here also we have option for thickness type. So if you want your thickness on both sides same, from the center, if you want inside thickness or outside thickness, you can select it from here. If I select outside, it will generate from outside. If I select inside, the thickness will be in inside. You also can position your gusset with this distance offset. So our square tube is 50, so the outside will be 25. So if I pull offset 25 millimeter, it will create at the end of the corner, and click OK. So you will see here we just create the gusset. So this is how we also can stiffen the structure. And next, also have a nice visual effect for the structure. So you can visually differentiate your structure with the different color. So if you can select structure color code here, you will differentiate your structure with two different colors. So for in this condition, we have our structure with the same material or same stock, but our gusset size and material will be different. So you can visually see the section or stock material or stock size by visualizing stock colors. So one last thing in our structural application for library. So in structure, we have a comprehensive library. So you have to click it here on open reuse library. You can see here a folder for structural design equipment, and you have to select based on your unit system, and you will see the mountings here. You can also customize your reusable components. So for now we can use we have to do a mounting at the bottom. We just have to drag and select the face. To selecting the place, you will see the add mounting fit component windows, and so you can customize length 100. Also you can make changes in chamfer, hole, and thickness by putting a value here. Also, if you want this mounting includes in your total overall length, you can check mark here. If you don't want thickness of mounting in your overall length, you just have to uncheck, then it will create externally by clicking OK. Now you can see here your mounting support with the mounting pad. So this is how you can use NX structure designer. Thank you for watching this video. For more video, please subscribe our YouTube channel or visit our website www.designfusion.com. Thank you.